Welcome back to the channel. I have the Galaxy Tab A9 and it's the basic 4GB model with 64GB of RAM. I didn't want to go for the 8GB. I thought I'm literally just using it for browsing. So yeah, let's open it up. Right, that was actually one of the easiest boxes to open. I paused it, but all I did was slit it and that's it, it opens. Look at that. Nice and light. I mean, you'd expect for under 9 inches, to be honest. And there you go, look at that. This is actually really nice. You know, it's under 9 inches. I got this just for sort of quick media consumption. Android don't really have anything this size, to be honest. And I mean, you've got the Fire HD8, which I do have, but it's just not my cup of tea, the OS. And obviously the iPad mini is just ridiculously overpriced. Don't know if you can see this on the camera, but this headphone jack is suspiciously actually close to the case. I'm just going to shine just a light on it. But yeah, that's a bit weird. That is really weird. I mean, it's not going to bother me too much, but I just thought it'd be more central, really. Yeah, should actually have noticed inside the box they don't actually give a charger or anything. They just literally give the cable and you got to get the plug yourself, which it shouldn't be too bad. And you know, today, considering how many plugs we got floating about, it is a bit annoying, but then it's part of the price, really. Right, it did actually have some power in it, which is quite nice. And I'm gonna set it up, so I might just end up pausing the video while I type my details and do all the updates. I got no idea how long that's gonna take, but let's see how long this takes to boot up. It's been a good sort of 20 seconds, really. Okay, right, it's a different language there. What's that going on? Ah, there you go, start. Okay, right, gonna pause the video and then I will come back. I've just connected to the Wi-Fi and it's getting the tablet set up. I really want to put the brightness up though, it's really low. To be honest, the resolution, I mean, it's 1280 by 800. It's obviously not full HD, but the quality's not actually too bad, to be honest. I mean, the small size kind of helps with that pixel density a little bit, but I know in this day and age you shouldn't really have a tablet that's not full HD. Doesn't matter how big it is or small. Choose your search engine, obviously Google. I mean, some of the others are okay, but come on. Okay, so initial impressions are quite good. I've put the brightness about 80%, so it's definitely a lot better, a lot clearer for me. And let's load up. I haven't changed the power settings just yet. Okay, so let's look up our website. Got good old BBC Sport. Let's just check scrolling. Yeah, it's not too bad. You can see a lot of that. Is that what they call jelly scrolling on the iPad mini? Obviously, it's a 60 Hertz refresh rate. There is the resolution and all of that combined. And yeah, let's have a click on it. Loading, it seems okay. I am in the next room, but I have got a Wi-Fi 6 router. So it shouldn't really be, speed shouldn't be affected. Well, it's not bad. I mean, I can scroll quite quickly. There is a bit of a start. Oh, okay, there you go. Maybe I was a bit too fast there. Right, so let me have BBC. Let's have IGN as well. Let's have YouTube. In fact, let's try a YouTube video first. I might just go for my channel, obviously, because of copyright and all that. I don't really want to play music or anything elsewhere. Yeah, whatever. Confirm settings. I don't know what this is. Before in incognito mode, I could just go in and just play it. Right, let's see. I've got productions. It is a bit hard to type. I mean, my hands are big anyway, and this tablet's obviously a bit small. But yeah, it's a bit difficult to. Oh, let me play that one. So this was the Lenovo tablet that I had. I'm just gonna turn. Oh, hang on. I'm just gonna turn. I'm just gonna. Oh gosh, what is happening there? Honestly, all I just wanted to do was put the volume down. So let me try that again. Let's see if I can scroll about. Oh, hang on, what's the resolution on this? What's the point? Alright, 480. Let's just put it at 1080. Let's stress that GPU. Comments over there, okay. Not bad. Freezes on the Fire tablet when I do that. In terms of the video playing in the background, let me just pop the volume up. I've done it again. Oh, you are kidding me. That is so annoying. I think it's just muscle memory. Let me put the volume out without... Okay, let's press play. Matches the Samsung Tab A8. So speakers aren't going to be great. I mean, you get what you pay for, really. But they're adequate enough for what you need to do. I'd probably recommend using the headphone jack, obviously. Long battery life, up to 12. Yeah, stops automatically in the background. That's interesting. I can't find a way of pressing play. I know YouTube obviously blocked that ability, but I did find, particularly on iPad, you just scroll down and you can just hit play and it does play, so I don't know why it stopped. 12-13 hours and obviously another precision pen, which I am not too fussed about. Now I'm going to open it up. If you watched any of my previous videos, you will know I am not good at opening stuff up, so I'm going to pause this video. That was actually painful, I kid you not, but I've managed to get it off. The difference about this Plus version is it's got the faster processor and it's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, which obviously makes a difference if you're multitasking. So I have no idea what that is. I'm not very used to using Android a lot, particularly since I've signed on this thing for the first time. It's given me all these helpful hints and tips and whatnot. But yeah, IGN is a notorious website, particularly for low-resourced hardware. Yeah, okay. It doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see how it is. I mean, things like, obviously, the speakers, the camera itself. I'm not fussed about the camera. I know it's not going to be that great. You can probably take the odd photo on it. But I'm going to see how it is. I might do an additional review on it. Or, depending on if people want to see it, really. But yeah, I don't think it's too bad. It is a bit more expensive. I think I did buy it for £169 in the UK here. It could have been a tad bit cheaper. Amazon did throw in an official Samsung bookcase cover, which I have somewhere else, and I'm not really going to use, to be honest. I think this tablet's perfect for just holding like that. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Sorry, you know what? I got so frustrated with the screen turning off, I had to just cut the video and basically go to the settings to sort out the brightness. And then obviously I found, I got this wallpaper that I use it on my MacBook and my iPad as well. It's Yosemite Valley, Yosemite in the US, and it's just a beautiful display there. It's a 4K wallpaper, but yeah, I just had to do that. But yeah, honestly, it's not bad. First impressions are quite good. Again, if you're only using it for browsing, it's fine. If you're using it for heavy work, don't even think about it. If you're expecting a super crisp display, you're not going to get it because it's not full HD. It is going to come down in the sales. The Samsung Tab A8s have been coming down for pretty much the last couple of years. Even the model before that, the A8 from 2019, I think they had another couple revisions, and the A7 Lite still sells as well, despite being hideously out of date. But yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you're thinking of getting it, like and subscribe, and until next time.